What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to glue and repair broken or chipped ceramics, china, or pottery. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. So today we're going to be fixing the knob that came off of this little butter dish. This is going to be the same repair though. Say you have a broken dish, mug, cup, bowl, maybe a figurine or a vase. It's going to be the same thing for any type of ceramic pottery type. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to clean both mating surfaces with some, this is rubbing alcohol. I'll go ahead and put some on a Q-tip right here. And we're going to clean those areas real good. This is going to get off any dust or any grease or anything like that. That's going to affect our gluing. So both surfaces. We'll let those dry. Okay, now this is the glue we're going to be using today. This is a two-part epoxy, so there's going to be two tubes. It also comes in a syringe style. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description to some of this epoxy type glue, and you're going to want to make sure you get the clear type. So it's really easy to use. We're just going to put a little bit of one down on something we can mix it on. And we're going to want to squeeze out the same amount of each. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So just equal parts of each glue. Then you're going to take something that you can mix it up with. I just got a toothpick here and we're going to mix it for a minute. I'm going to take some masking tape and I'm going to put it around the areas where we don't want glue. Okay, now we're just going to put some of it with our toothpick right on that edge. And I can take my handle, line it up. Once we get it lined up, take some masking tape. I'm gonna put that over the top. Make sure it's still lined up. We're gonna pull it down kind of tight. Kind of use the masking tape as a clamp. You can come back to your glue area in here and add some more glue around the crack, or you can wipe it off if you really want a clean look. I'm just gonna add a little more. Okay, then we're just gonna let it set. If you look at the directions on your glue, it should tell you how long it takes to set up and then how long it takes to fully dry. I usually like to just let it set overnight or for one day fully. Okay, so I let it dry overnight and the glue seems nice and hard. So now we can go ahead and pull off the tape. Now, it's okay. I mean, if it didn't work the first time and it ends up breaking again, all you have to do is sand the two mating surfaces with a little sandpaper and re-glue them and it should be fine. Maybe just try something else for your clamping method. Moment of truth. Alright, and that job is done, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you've got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And don't forget to click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.